Hello there. Today we'll be talking about the simple future tense. So, what is the form of the simple future? The simple future is formed as follows: will plus base form of the verb. Will teach. Shall can be used instead of will with I and we, especially in the interrogative. Example, I shall go now. We shall play together. In the affirmative, the simple future will be used as follows. Madison will send the email after dinner, so will plus base form of the verb. In the negative, it will not be an easy exam, or the contraction of will not is won't. So, in the negative, the form will be as follows: will plus not plus base verb. In the interrogative, will Sam manage to finish his tasks? The form of the interrogative will be will plus subject plus base form of the verb. Or, shall I pass by the office? So we said we can use shall when we're using the pronouns I and we. So, shall plus the subject plus the base form of the verb. What are the uses of the simple future? The simple future is used to express an instant thought or decision that comes to mind at the moment of speaking. I'm thirsty. I'll grab something to drink. So I'm thirsty right now. This is an instant thought. So I'll grab something to drink. You are right. I won't wake up if I sleep late. That's an instant thought. 2. The simple future is used to predict things and express facts about future events. Dedicated students will study constantly to get to the top. So we are predicting that dedicated students will study because they are dedicated. The World Tennis Championship will be held in Abu Dhabi. So this is a fact about the future event that will be held. 3. The simple future is used to express a personal opinion, a hope, a certainty, or a promise. John thinks his team will win the game. That's a personal opinion. My mom promises that she will cook my favorite meal. That's a promise. I hope you will pass the exam with the highest grade. That's a hope. The following 2 slides are practice for you. To solve this practice, you need to know the form of the simple future in the affirmative, in the negative, and in the interrogative. You should also know the uses of the simple future. Let's try to solve a sentence or two. You studied a lot. I think you will pass the exam. So we use the simple future here because it is, as we agreed before, a personal opinion. And when we are expressing a personal opinion, we use the simple future. You ate a lot of junk food. You will feel sick later. So as we previously agreed, the simple future is used to predict things in the future. She ate a lot of junk food, so you are predicting that she will feel sick later as a result of eating junk food. In this slide, you have the key for the previous practice, but don't peek at it. Just try to solve it on your own. Thank you for attending this class.